Really the biggest is the support for the subscription licensing model. It gives you a web interface that you can see your devices, manage your devices, move devices in and out of the subscription model that you're using, and also see the statuses of those devices. So one of the limitations, I'd say, in some of the previous versions of ClearStream were the support for seeing the current state of your whole system. Typically, you'd have to say RDP into the PC or server that's running ClearStream to kind of check on whether or not they're running. Maybe there's an error condition there. You could be notified by error conditions, but that interface for seeing the actual system in full didn't exist. There is an API that would offer the ability to get some of that information out of it, but with this ClearStream subscription portal through a website, you can go ahead and log in and see the status of all those readers, all those devices that you have, and it supports all of the devices out of the box with ClearStream. So it could be anything from fixed RFID readers to Bluetooth gateways to barcode scanning devices that we support within ClearStream, and you can see the status of all those devices and whether or not they're running, whether or not there's errors or stopped at that time. We've also added a new feature for grouping devices within ClearStream itself. So in previous versions of ClearStream, if you had a large installation of a large number of devices, say you had a facility with 50, 100 readers or something like that, each one of those devices needs to be manually configured in the software and then also manually mapped per device to a destination. With this new group concept, which was a highly requested feature from our users, you can add all of the devices to the configuration, group them in a single group, so say like warehouse 1, and then map that one warehouse 1 to the destination. So now you have all of these readers that are collecting of these readers or whatever devices you're using, collecting this information and sending it through one mapping to your database. So it really simplifies a large-scale deployment of ClearStream in the configuration side. And also, if you may need to make any adjustments to those mappings, it's done in one process. So you don't have to go through each reader. Say you have 100 readers, you don't have to go through and modify each one with that change. Finally, another option here, we have keyboard emulation now available. So this is good for things like a desktop type RFID scanner or a barcode wedge scanner, something like that, where you want to have the data that's being collected by this passive device and just have it input into maybe some type of Windows form or something like that on your PC for scanning, kind of almost a workstation type feature. So that's a new destination that we've added as well to the software. So all of these devices can stream, and in that case, it's usually just one, but stream to a keyboard emulation where it's actually typing that data out. Now, I would like to note that this will be available as a free trial from our website at ClearStreamRFID.com. As always, it'll be up there. You can download the software and use it. And that will be posted to the website when it's available. Right now, we're looking at mid-Q1 for the release of ClearStream 7.0. However, I would like to mention, for anybody that would like a beta of the application, please just reach out to us after the webinar today or when you are ready to take a look at the new features, and we can get you a beta build of ClearStream so that you can take a look at these new features as well.